Om Sri Paramatmane Namah. Today we'll be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita on the effect of Sattvika food, which helps in success of austerity. In 17th chapter, 8th, 9th and 10th sloka, it has been highlighted by Lord Krishna to Arjuna that Ayush Sattva Bodharogya Sukha Priti Vivardhana Rasya Snigdha Sthira Rudya Ahara Sattvika Priya Katu Amla Lavana Atiyosna Tikhna Rukhya Vilahinaha Ahara Rajasya Ishta Dukha Sukamaya and Jata Jaman Gatarasang Patipurja Sitanchata Uchistam Apicha Medhyang Bhojanang Tamasa and this food which promotes longevity, Ayu, Sattva, intelligence, the vigor, Bala, and health, happiness, cheerfulness, juicy food, and substantiality in the food when it is there, naturally selected natural vegetarian diet, that is Sattvika food, Sattvika in nature. And the food which are bitter, sour, salty, overheat, pungent, dry, and burning in nature, those are the nature of Rajasika people. They opt for it and they suffer from lot of diseases, grief, and sickness is there in them. And Jata Jamam Gatarasam Patipurja Sitanchatat Uchistamapicha Medhang Bhojanang Tamasam. The food which are ill cooked, not fully ripe, insipid, putrid, stale, and polluted and impure food, those are the dearest food for the Tamasika people. And 14th chapter, 17th sloka, it has been highlighted what is the effect of such foods in human beings. Because sattvic food will increases sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobha evacha pramada moho tamaso bhavato ajnanam evacha. That means the sattvic food increases the wisdom and helps in austerity. And rajasic food increases the greed, or in addition to the sufferings, increases the greed. And tamasic food increases the ignorance and obstinateness, stupor, error, and they become violent for the society. So, in this context, I have written in Gujjari Raga in Odia language followingly: Sattvika khadyahi priyata Sattvika manusyara Jaha sattva guna ayuku bodhaye nirantara